Alright YouTube, we got another package in the mail from Babyliss. I'm just gonna dive right in. I don't have the patience to do all the theatrical stuff. Just gonna open it ever so slightly. Don't use scissors at home, kids. Use a real box cutter. Don't do what I do. Alright, I really don't know what they sent me, but let's see. We don't need that. Alright, we got first things first, we got some guards with a little gold connector thing on the back. Alright. Alright. Ooh. What is these? What are these? Ooh. Okay, hold on. Put that there. We don't need this. Oh. We don't need this box. Ooh. Let's open these both up real quick. Hold on. Alright, these are the new Low Pro FX. I've never heard of these clippers or trimmer. This one right here, this one kind of looks clean, nice and quiet. This one right here. Nice and quiet, you know what I'm saying? Levers feel nice. I can tell I gotta adjust these though. It doesn't come zero gapped, but probably an easy fix, you know what I'm saying? It looks just like the FX. Got the 2.0 blade. I'm gonna try to get these to hit, but yeah. Shout out to Babyliss for hooking me up with these.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.